Hi there. Let me just get the slides set up. Okay, let's put this up here. Let's make it a little bigger. Maybe there we go. Whoops. Okay. There we go. Nice. Okay. Cool. Well, hey everybody. How are you doing? I hope you're enjoying this, in air quotes, extended spring break. I know it's a barrel of monkeys for me because I'm having to redesign all of my classes, and that's fun. Hashtag sarcasm. I know you really can't pick it up from like the facial expressions, but I think the body language in general is probably communicating how much fun this whole experience is. But hey, it's what we gotta do, it's the right thing to do, and it's keeping us hopefully safe and healthy. So, getting back in the swing of things for the first time. Lecture numbers don't really matter at this point, do they? So, I wanted to give you guys a quick update about what we're going to be doing in the class. I've been getting some emails from you, a lot of which have been answered, and emails I've already sent you, but hey, that's okay. You got questions, you need answers. So let's advance our slide and see what we got next. Okay, so this should look somewhat familiar. This is an edited version of the Before We Begin from our last lecture before spring break. Challenges 3 and 3.5 are posted. No, well, they are posted, but more importantly, they are postponed. So, challenge 3.5, you don't have to demo that one anymore. You just have to upload your cracked password and the source code that you used to do that to Blackboard. Do that before 11:55 p.m. The Monday that we're back from our spring break. That's like the 20-something, I don't know. Normally I would click my little calendar and it would pop up and it'd say, hey, it's Monday, March the 20-something. But as you can see, there's no desktop here. This is all virtual. It has its advantages, but it also has its limitations. Okay. So 3.5 is postponed until Monday, 11:55 p.m., no demo necessary. Challenge 3, on the other hand, let's push that back to that following Thursday. I'll officially edit Blackboard later, might not be today, but later. But you have my word, the Thursday after we come back from our spring break, Challenge 3 the demo window for Challenge 3 will be open. How will we demo it? Still working on it, but we're going to make it happen. You guys are smart and fortunately also somewhat patient, which is wonderful. I am, well, I'm not going to say smart, but I can figure it out, and we'll pick a way to actually make the project demos happen. Believe me, it's going to be way easier for us to figure out how to do the project demos in this class than it is in the VR class, which requires us to be in the VR lab, which we can't be because the university is closed. Well, not closed, remote. Anyway, quiz, the Thursday after we get back from spring break. Well, quiz eventually now. Probably not going to be the week we come back. Probably the week after that we'll end up doing our quiz. More than likely we're going to do this through the quiz function of Blackboard, but we'll wait and see how that goes. Yeah, so that's pretty much the update on this end. I hope all of you are doing well. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're washing your hands. I just hope. This is not quite as fun for me, lecturing like this, because from my point of view, there's like an avatar standing in front of me recording this, and I'm used to a nice big class full of emotions and sound and fury and people ignoring me and talking to themselves. You know who you are. Anyway, yeah. So one question I'm sure some of you are asking is, are all of our lectures going to be in this format? I don't know. I'm trying it out. So what we're doing right now is we're using a virtual environment called Mozilla Hubs. It's free. If you've got a VR headset, you can jump into it. You can also use it on a desktop monitor. It looks sort of like a game. if you do it that way. But from my point of view, this is all 3D. I'm in a 3D conference room. There's a 3D you, an avatar right there, whose view is being recorded. And I've got hands, which is kind of nice because, you know, you can gesture and you can do stuff like this and stuff like that. And you can dance around and sort of emote a little bit with your hands. You can also do some limited gestures, like I can point, I can, whoa, I shot away. Sorry about that. I pressed a button. You know, you can close those fingers and close that finger. They don't give you quite as much other finger control as you would think. Ah, crap! Did I just? No, there we go. Yeah, we're fine. So, still getting used to how we're going to do this. Are we going to continue doing it this way? I don't know. It depends on how difficult it keeps being. This wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Once I figured out the details, Mozilla Hubs really wasn't made to do what we're doing with it right now, but we're making it happen. Essentially, I'm connected virtually to one machine in my home office where I'm being motion captured and I'm seeing all this wonderful stuff and I'm seeing you wonderful guys here. And then I've got another machine that's actually got the PowerPoint on it and is doing the recording of the video. I'm using the Windows recording feature that's built into it, so is it going to be good enough quality? I don't know. We'll find out. So far, the files it's making are huge for the amount of time I'm recording. There's probably a way to tweak that, but we'll worry about it later. Right now, you guys need to know what's going on. And really, I want someone to talk to. I love you guys. You're the best class. Let's see. Anything else that might be important? I don't know right off, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. Don't hesitate to let me know. The technology survey I sent to you guys. Interestingly, almost a quarter of the class has VR displays. Sadly, not all of you. That's okay. I didn't expect it to be all of you. But I did expect there to be more VR users in my VR class than there are in data science. It turns out it's the other way around. So kind of neat. We might actually do some of this live on Hubs, and if we do it live on Hubs, you'll be able to watch it on the monitor, or you can come in and actually join me in the room in a VR helmet if you have one. If you don't, it's not required, ain't no big deal. You can still see it on a screen or watch it in the post-processed video. Anyway, I smell food cooking. I bet my wife and child are waiting for me to come and eat, so I better wrap it up. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Again, if you have any questions or anything, please let me know. And I will see you virtually very soon. Bye-bye.